You just installed Windows 11, but it's already slow, full of useless apps, and not ready for your real work. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly what to remove, what to uninstall, and how to turn your fresh Windows installation into a fast, clean, creator-ready machine, or gaming-ready, or whatever you use your Windows for. Let's start with deleting the bloatware. To delete the bloatware, open the setting, go to Apps, Installed Apps, and from here you will find a lot of apps that you will never gonna use that being pre-installed with the Windows. Because I already deleted some apps and uninstalled a bunch of them, my list will be different than yours. Just simply scroll through this list and uninstall any app that you are not gonna use. For me, I installed all the Microsoft apps except Microsoft Edge and Microsoft Office, and not all the Microsoft Office apps, just the one that I will use. And also I deleted some apps that later on I end up uninstall them back again, like Outlook. For example, the weather app. This app, I will never gonna use the Windows weather app, so I'm just gonna uninstall it. And then I will continue searching. And if you are not a gamer and not planning to play any games in the future, I will definitely recommend uninstalling Xbox and Xbox Live. And now we uninstalled apps. Let's start with the installation. And the first thing to install is your drivers. Open setting, Windows update, check for updates. When it's finished, click on install and hit restart, and then click advanced options, optional updates, and if you find anything that needs to be updated in this menu, click update. Now open your browser to download your GPU app manager. I have a NVIDIA card, so I will search for NVIDIA app. If you have AMD, search for AMD app. Download this app, then uninstall it. This is the app interface. Click driver, and from here select update or uninstall driver if you haven't installed the driver yet or updated. And now installing the essential apps. For this, we are not gonna do it manually, but using a tool called Ninite. From here select your apps. I will use Google Chrome, and from here VLC, and this one maybe Blender. And for security, for me personally, I'm fine with Windows security. I don't need any other antivirus because that will make your PC even slower. And from here I will select WinRAR. After you select all the apps that you need, click get Ninite, and then click start download and open. And now you don't have to do anything, just wait and the tool will install everything for you. And now let's install Crested Windows Utility Tool. And for this part, if you don't know what you're doing, don't even try. Type C PC Utility, open the first link. What this tool basically do, it will let you uninstall all the previous apps that you uninstalled and more, and you can do a lot of customization to your Windows. And this tool is created by this guy. Just scroll down, copy the command, right click into the Windows icon, select terminal admin, paste the command and hit enter, and now wait. And this is for pro users only. From the install tab, you can download all the previous app and even more. And you know what? I think this guy agrees with me, because there is no antiviruses or any security tool at all here. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. When you finish selecting your tools, just click install / upgrade application. And now wait for the installation. And you can see what's going on from the PowerShell. Right here is downloading the apps. And just like that, my apps is finished installing. And now let's jump to the tweak section. And this is the recommended selection to go with the standard, or click clear and do it manually. And from advanced tweak, here you can remove Microsoft Edge and OneDrive, and remove gallery from Windows Explorer, which is this one, and remove home, which is this one. And this is my customization preferences, and that's it all for this tool. And let's jump to the next one, which is Microsoft PowerToys. You can download it from GitHub or from Microsoft Store. With this tool you can get a lot of features. My best feature is Awake, to keep my PC awake during long expert or download, and also Color Picker, to pick any color from your screen, and Peek, to preview files with the spacebar. And now to the final optimization. First, disabling startup apps. Right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, Startup Apps, and from here disable any apps that you are not using, especially the ones that labeled high. From here, just right click and click Disable. Next, deleting temporary file. Click Windows R, type temp, hit enter, select all these files and hit delete. Check this box and click skip. Close this window and Windows R again, and this time type %temp% and hit enter. Control A, delete, check this box and click skip. Now close this window, open the start menu, search for power plan. From here select ultimate power plan to get the best out of your PC, and if you don't see it, open Crestad utility by running the previous command from config tab, and from here select add and activate ultimate power plan and close out of this window, and that's it. And now your PC will definitely gonna be more cleaner and faster. That's it all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.